Hi, I'm Dr. Kate Burrows. I'm an internist and pediatrician. I've always liked science. My mom is a nurse. Health and the body was just something I always was interested in. I started learning more about what a doctor is, what a doctor does, and it's just something I always knew I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to take care of adults. I thought the challenges that proposes was something I was interested in. And then I did my pediatrics rotation as a medical student, and I just loved being around the kids and loved seeing how resilient they are. Challenges that adults face may react one way, challenges the kids face, they get through it. And I just really became fascinated by that. So I knew I wanted to do both. And I can tell you that being a pediatrician makes me a better internist, and being an internist makes me a better pediatrician. The two complement each other and just allow you to think about things different ways, so you can help out the patient. I think one of my favorite parts about talking to people is getting to know them and simply saying, "What can I do for you today?" and letting them talk, just so I can understand the full story. That's actually one of the more enjoyable parts of my job, is to getting to know a little bit more about the person and as much as they want to share. I am a mom myself. Family is very important to me. So I guess I would hope patients would understand that I know their family is important to them. A lot of decisions or concerns that I have, I'll say to the patient, if you were my family member, this is what I would recommend, and I try to think about it that way to make sure that concerns are being met. Taking care of families. I have several families where it's 4 generations. I've got the kiddo, and I've got the young adult, I've got the little bit older adult, I've got the elderly grandparent, in the nursing home. And it's just really rewarding and gives you a little bit deeper understanding of that patient, knowing kind of the whole story of the entire family. It's very rewarding. Chasing my children is always enjoyable. Getting outside as much as possible and as much as Wisconsin weather allows.